In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google and sell with Wayfair. This process is pretty straightforward, and I'm here to help make it as easy as possible for you to understand. We'll start from the very beginning and go through each step to ensure you know exactly what to do to get started with selling on Wayfair. First, open up your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, these steps will be applicable. In your browser's search bar, type Sell with Wayfair. You'll see a list of results pop up, and the one you'll want to look for is typically one of the first few options. It's essential to ensure you're selecting the official Wayfair site for doing this correctly. Once you've found the right search result, click on the link that says Sell with Wayfair. This will redirect you to the appropriate page on the Wayfair website where you can begin the application process. The site will present you with information about the benefits and requirements of selling on Wayfair. This is a good time to familiarize yourself with what's expected. Next, look for the Apply button on the web page. It's usually prominently displayed to guide potential sellers like yourself. Clicking on this button will take you to a new page that initiates the application process. Now you're ready to start entering some information. The application will ask you to input various details, so have your contact information ready, such as your email address and phone number. Make sure these are up to date and that you regularly check them, as Wayfair will use this contact information to communicate with you about your application. You'll also need to provide details about your business, including the name of your business, the address, and other relevant information that helps Wayfair understand what you're offering. Additionally, the application will request logistical information. This typically includes your shipping capabilities and how quickly you can fulfill orders. Being precise and honest about this will help set the right expectations and avoid issues down the line. Double check all the details you enter to ensure accuracy. After filling out all the necessary fields and making sure everything is correct, you'll see the option to click Apply Now. Go ahead and click it to submit your application. Once done, you should receive a confirmation that your application is being processed. Keep an eye on your email for any communications from Wayfair about the next steps or further information they might require. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated how to apply to sell on Wayfair. Thanks for sticking with me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to check the FAQ section on Wayfair's site or contact their support team for assistance.